So today I've come with another video for you. It's about Moody. Moody is a very good moisturizer. It's gel-like, 70 hydration, 100-hour gel moisturizer. Packaging. I love the packaging. Very nice. See the texture. I don't know where you get it in India because I purchased it from a sale at a market from so I don't know, you can check it out, but I'll put the description. Exactly, it comes like this. It's very nourishing and quickly absorbs on your skin, so you don't have to work very hard on the you don't have to work very hard for it to absorb. So you just put it, works like magic, I swear. I just love this one. From the time I have this, I have ditched all of the others. Really good. You have to try this one. Okay, it's blended more. I don't even have to blend it because it's that soft. It's just like butter. It's just like it's more of like a body butter. Sorry, a butter for the face rather than a gel moisturizer. It's very it's in a, the prices are also very low. Like, I will put it in the description, but the effect that you get is just like something really high-end effect. I will give 100 for this. 10 by 10. You can go for it always. And not even it's sticky, but not sticky. You can have your makeup also on this. You can even have your compact makeup. You can even have a thick makeup, a strong. If you're going for a full coverage makeup also, it's gonna work because this is very lightweight. It's not even there. It's literally absorbed. It comes like a second skin, you can say. I have not seen another product like this. I have to try it.